Vichyssoise, cold and quick. Yield 6 servings. 3 medium potatoes, 1/2 cup potato water, 1 8-ounce carton sour cream, 3/4 cup half and half cream, 1/3 cup chopped chives or green onion, 1/2 teaspoon salt, dash tabasco sauce, 1 can beef consommé. Wash, peel, and dice potatoes. Cook until tender. Pour off liquid and measure. Reserve up to 1/2 cup. Mashed potatoes combine with potato water, sour cream, and cream. Whip until smooth. Add chives, seasoning, and consommé. Blend well. Refrigerate at least 4 hours. Serve in soup bowls or cups. Sprinkle with paprika and chopped chives. Serve with townhouse crackers, spread with anchovy paste, and broiled 5 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Complement with a salad of sliced avocado and cucumber on endive and raspberry parfait pie.